We are going to set up our map testing session. First of all, this is the address that you will need to put in your browser to get to the correct McKinney place. You will log in, your username is going to be your email address, and then you will have your own unique password. When you actually get in there, the place you will go to is Managed Test Sessions. If you had any saved sessions, you would go right here. That was under Show, and this is where your test would show up. When you set it up, go Find Students to Test, select McClure, your grade, you'll find your name. You should only have one class on here, and we'll search. Now, all the names from this year so far are stored in here, but you'll want to check those because you may need to uncheck someone who should no longer be in here, or you may need to add somebody. But right here, we're going to go ahead and just use all of these students right here because we're going to decide that this is correct. Okay, if you needed to add another student that wasn't in yet, you could search their name right here to add them to your list. This is going to be our list though. So I'm going to select this box and it selects everybody. First, we have to assign the test. Notice that maybe a few people forgot this last time. Let's go ahead and start with reading 2 to 5. We'll assign the test. It pops up over here. And we're not going to assign accommodations here. You'll have a separate list, so you'll know that. We're going to save this session in this format, MCC, your last name. This is reading, and we're going to put May because we used the months for the others as well. We'll save and exit. So if you show, now you see your test will be here. So you'll make one for math, one for science, except for second grade who just does reading and math. Now, when you get into this test and you've clicked this box, you can just say test now, or if you need to edit it, change students, maybe add another student, or completely delete it. Maybe you messed up and you need to start over, you could delete it right there. So I'm going to click test now because we're in the lab and we are about to take a test. Okay, and you'll see that everybody here has the test assigned, and you will give them this session name and this password for them to be able to join. And as they join, you will see it pop up here and you'll be able to confirm them right here. There's a point here, they've changed a couple things where you can actually add more students at this point where you could not before. You can see here where it has the different statuses where if you want to pause it or suspend it. The other one you'll probably only be able to use when you're actually testing. So when they begin joining, you'll just see them popping up, and that is really all you need to do here. So there's something new that they added called the Proctor Interrupt PIN number, and here's your PIN number. So if it asks for this special PIN number when you actually go to the computer, you can go to the student computer and do it from there, or you can just do it from yours. So make sure every time you come down to go ahead and bring your iPad with you because you will be starting this session and ending it and pausing it from this. Thank you.